Alright, cool. Much better. I mean, I guess the chat... that's fine. I'm like sort of centered. That's good enough for me. Welcome back, guys. It's the Raging Lazy Asian. We're back again with another episode of The Last of Us. It's Monday, so you know what that means. That means I upload a new video to my YouTube channel and as well as stream live. So if you guys want to participate, you guys can. Links are all in the description below on Twitch and on YouTube. But other than that, let's get started. I think I forgot where I left off. The financial district. Let's do that. Let's do that. So I hope the video quality is better, so let's... It looks like all lopsided too, huh? Guess it's better. I feel like I should lower this one. Guess that's a bit better. What was I talking about? So yeah, I'm sorry about the audio about the last couple of videos on my YouTube channel because I guess I was running this microphone backward. And now the one I just uploaded recently, it was like very choppy. So what I did was I lowered the volume. So hopefully on Twitch and YouTube the quality is a lot better. But we will see about that. I'm just gonna re-upload my Twitch on my laptop here so I know where I'm at. In terms of like viewers and stuff like that. But yeah, I thought I was going to be able to stream today. I thought I had jury duty, but I guess they didn't call me in or something, or... Okay, no, this is what happened. So I called them previously, like a couple of days before, because we're supposed to do that. And they were like, hey, I know your jury duty is on Monday. Call us on Tuesday to see if you ever go into jury duty or not. I'm like, okay. So it's July the 20th. That's the day of my jury duty. And they said, call July 21st to see if I have to go in on July 20th. So I was like, okay. Seems legit. Where are we at? Oh, yeah, that's right. We have to go up. Let's collect this stuff. Anything else we're missing? I know we have to go up that ladder. Standing here, we can use a note. We got a note. We got a note, guys. We finished securing the city from the survivors. Oh, yeah, so they're talking about the whatchamacallit. I don't get it. I'm pretty sure we explored this before. We have one viewer in the stream. What's going on, bro? Welcome to the Raging Lazy Asian channel. Raging Lazy Asian channel. Oh man, my English is like totally off. Let's see if we have anything. Really appreciate you being here, bro. Let's do this. Alright. Everything else is good, though. Let's make that. Let's use a shiv. Boop! We're in. Supplement, scissors, explosives, sugar, more scissors. We got bullets! And we got parts. I have 70. Should I get the shiv master so I can shiv myself. Shiv. I'm freaking sucking right now. Should I get the shiv master so I can save myself from clickers? Gosh, my English. I don't need crafting speed. Like that can be last. Healing speed, I don't really need to heal because I'm usually really stealthy. I can go for maximum health, but that shiv master is important. We're gonna go for shiv master first. And then we'll get the other one, the health. Increase health. Anything I can use here? Full on shotgun rounds. Reload. Hey. Okay. Let's stick with the rifle. Alright, so we got everything there. We're actually gonna go up the ladder now.
Here, come here, Ellie.
Come on, Ellie. I got a new haircut! Not new haircut, but I trimmed my hair finally. My hair was getting like way too long.
There you go.
Alright. Come on. Come on, Ellie. What the heck was that?
Almost there.
Yeah! Alright. We are doing good. Any supplements over here? I can actually use that Shiv Master. Because I'm tired of clickers effing with me. We're gonna F some clickers up with our shivs. La da 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 da!
I stayed at a place like this, back in the Boston QZ.
Really? Tell me more about it.
Military preparatory school.
Yeah, nice way of saying orphanage.
I
wonder what happened to all these kids.
This
Dead.
place has been out for a good stretch. They ain't kids no more.
Meaning they're either hunters trying to kill us, or
Well, they're dead.
Or they got away.
We don't believe that.
Nope.
I believe in getting out of this city. Come on.
I feel like Joel is like opening up to Ellie a lot more. Like, you guys probably watched other videos on YouTube, so I'm pretty sure of that. Still have my light on like a dumbass. Oops. I fail. Oh, cool, look. Scissors. All full on that padding stuff. No, all full of Molotovs too. I really should have just played hard mode, huh? But I would have lost my hearing capability and the hearing distance or whatever. So I probably would have just sucked.
Let's go through the alley.
Let's go. Yellow.
It's alright, just keep your head down.
Shit. Ha!
I'll make you some if you quit bringing that up.
Come on.
It's bacon. Of course it's good.
Come this way, second string. Come on. Shut up. I ain't got time to deal with your nonsense today. Just die. Ellie's like running into me. Like the stupidest person ever. So I can't go over there because the car's gonna see me. There has to be a way I can like stealth kill these guys. If not, then I'm gonna use a smoke bomb. Come here, boy. I'ma learn you something. Strangle you real quick. Look at your face. You did. Alright, cool. He did. I legit do not know where to go. Come on, Eric. What would Joel do? Can't see what that gun is pointing. Is there anything here I can use, actually? Like, I would love if I can just, like, find something of use to me. Guess not. But that's okay. We killed the 3 dudes, so we're good. I have one more use for my shiv before it breaks. I'm actually probably just going to use it anyway. That way I can just get rid of it and make a new one. Because I'm tired of just having, like, you know, 1 or 2 uses on it. Might as well just break it. Like, legit. Anything here I can use? Alright, that's hidden. We're hidden. We're good. Just in case. They found me. You're gonna shoot this guy.
Some kind of military turret. Stay down.
Cool. I think that was a clever use of it. I should have shivved him actually. Ah! It's okay. We are doing A-okay. We are good. We are good. So clutch. We're so freaking good. Ay ay ay. Part of me wants to go back. Shit. Just the Asian. What's going on, bud? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Bye-bye. He's dead. Alright, cool. Actually... Woo! He's dead. What's going on, Asian player 61? Whoa, 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 whoa. He chased us. Can't find us though. Let's create a shiv. Alright, I'm actually getting low on binding, so we're not gonna use any more shivs unless we have to. Nothing much, buddy. Nothing much. Just whooping some butt here. Whooping some butt, see if we can find some stuff to use. We are actually going to use a health kit. There we go.
Haley, cover me.
Okay.
Is there someone here? Like, is that what's going on? No, I think we're good. Got a full bottle of alcohol. Nothing over here. Anything over here? Anything over here? I don't think you can... Nope. Nothing. Oh, okay. I lie. Revolver ammo. Awesome. Sweet. And we can go out here. Go up here. Go up here. We're gonna go. Time to proceed with the sneaking. Doing pretty good. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot how long we've been streaming. I'm aiming for an hour. Binding. Oh man, I really forgot how long I've been streaming. Alright, we got 5 supplements. Let's get that Shiv Master. Wait, what? What is that? Full ability shivs don't break when used to escape it quicker grapple. That's actually pretty useful. I might get that instead of the health. Nah, who am I kidding? I'm probably gonna get it anyway for the health.